The world stands at a critical turning point. With the threat of war and the rapid rise of artificial intelligence, what does the future hold? Former US President Donald Trump recently made a shocking statement. We are closer to World War III than ever before. With ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East, world leaders are on high alert. Could this be the beginning of something bigger? As the world debates war, another revolution is taking place: artificial intelligence. From self-learning machines to AI-powered weapons, technology is reshaping global power. Elon Musk and other experts have raised alarms about AI surpassing human control. Is AI a bigger threat than war itself? Beyond war and AI, economic instability, misinformation and climate change are creating an uncertain future. Are we heading towards an era of destruction? Or can humanity turn things around? The choices we make today will shape our tomorrow. Stay informed, stay aware, and make a difference. Subscribe for more updates on global events.